U.S. history, people. Hey, let's bear down and finish strong here. This is the plan for Thursday, May 21st. And we've got a long weekend and nothing due until Wednesday, May 27th. So, a good opportunity again for you to either get caught up or complete some extra credit. Okay. Plan is so first, complete the May 21st due now assignment. It's due by 2 p.m. on the 21st. Second, complete the biography of Malcolm X assignment. That's due Wednesday, May 27th. Malcolm X was another civil rights leader, but took a much different approach and disagreed in tactics with Martin Luther King Jr. for much of his life. He did go through a transformation towards the end of his life religiously when he was able to complete a journey to Mecca in Saudi Arabia. But Malcolm X was a highly controversial figure, certainly had the same goals, and that was to promote the rights of people of color, but definitely did not always agree with Dr. King. So that is the only assignment due on Wednesday, May 27th. That's it. All right. So let's get some things done here. And as always, if you need help, just please ask.